Welcome to a Snapchat lens discovery and ranking best practice tutorial. In this video, we'll cover all the places on Snapchat where your lenses can be discovered and a few simple tips to improve reach and engagement. Across Snapchat, AR experiences are discovered and engaged with in the form of lenses. In fact, Snapchat is the only social platform that opens directly to the camera. Snapchatters love AR, so let's walk through where they can play, learn, shop, and express themselves with the lenses you've created. Every creator gets an equal opportunity to be seen on Snapchat based on a ranking system. However, there are a few things you can do to positively impact lens discovery, reach, and ranking, as well as a few things you should avoid to prevent negative impact on your lens discovery. Please do not copy viral lenses and their names. Do not copy icons of existing lenses. Do not use default Lens Studio icons. Do not promote your own creator username within a community lens. To ensure optimal Snapchatter experience and provide a better opportunity for search and discovery of original community lenses, we recommend creating unique lenses for Snapchat and avoiding duplication or publishing identical lenses. Duplicates and spam lenses will be downranked and removed. Even when using pre-existing templates, consider using unique assets to create one-of-a-kind lenses. Now, let's get into where your lenses can be discovered and engaged with on Snapchat. The majority of lens traffic comes from a few places, including 1. The camera carousel, 2. Lens Explorer, and 3. Search. Let's talk more about the camera, or you may know it as carousel. This is one of the 3 major sources of lens traffic. Lens selection in the carousel is powered by a ranking algorithm which chooses lenses based on popularity or user interaction history, and advertisers can promote their sponsored lenses here. Camera ranking tip. Your lens icon impacts lens engagement. Use a compelling image that Snapchatters will want to click. What about Lens Explorer? Lens Explorer is Snapchat's feed of organic AR lenses. The higher the lens engagement, the higher the ranking within the feed. Lens Explorer tip. The lens preview is very important, as this gives Snapchatters an idea of your lens experience. The lens preview can greatly impact lens engagement, as it influences a Snapchatter's decision to engage with your lens. Snapchatters use search to look for lenses based on keywords, creator and brand names, or cultural events. Search results showcase public profiles, creator profiles, and lenses if they match the search term. Let's look up blue glasses in search and see the results. You can see how naming a lens with the most relevant terms and having a public profile helps Snapchatters discover lenses. Search tip. To improve discoverability of lenses, be sure to add the most relevant tags and choose a representative lens name. Speaking of profiles, millions of Snapchatters engage with AR every day. Public profiles is important for many reasons, but especially for lens discovery and engagement. Public profiles provide a permanent hub for your content, a lens tab for Snapchatters to discover and explore your current and future lens creations, access to advanced analytics, and more. Public profiles make it easier for Snapchatters to discover new creators and for creators to be connected with their fans. For businesses, a public profile gives brands a free, permanent identity on Snapchat to house all their unique content, including lenses. Get discovered organically, engage with customers, build a following, sell products, and manage a profile, all from one place. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, you now know where Snapchatters discover and engage with lenses. Find out more ways your lenses can be discovered and engaged with across Stories, Spotlight, Chat, and Snapchat for Web, and more in our Lens Studio documentation. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.